Hi guys. So now in this part also let's continue the Power BI interview questions. Today we are going to understand the straightforward question. It means we are going to ask you the steps. If you wanted to do this, where do you go? Which options will try and what are the steps to do or create something? So sometimes they might ask you your tools knowledge more than your technical knowledge, right? So do you know that where that option is? Okay. So sometimes the question is around the tool, experiencing the Power BI tool. Okay. Okay. So let's get started. So here, how do you create calculated columns and measures in Power BI? So to create calculated columns in Power BI, you can say that we have to go to the data view. We have to right click on the table and select new column, then write a formula using DAX to calculate the values based on the existing column. To create measures, you have to switch to the report view and go to the modeling tab and click new measure, write a DAX formula to define the measure calculation, such as aggregation or calculated based mutual contracts. The next question is, what is Power Query Editor and what are its primary functions? So Power Query Editor is a data transformation tool within the Power BI and Excel. Its primarily functions include connecting to the various data sources, shaping and cleansing data using transformation like filtering, merging, and pivoting, and creating custom columns. It enables users to prepare and refine the data before loading it into the Power BI or Excel, ensuring the data is clean, structured, and ready for analysis. How do you import data from Excel into Power BI? Well, this is a very common question. So to import the data from Excel into Power BI, follow this step. You can say, we have to go to Power BI desktop, then we have to click on the home in the top menu and choose get data. So it's a very famous button, get data. So you can get anything with that. So you have to select Excel from the data source option, browse and select the Excel file you want to import, choose the desired sheet or table from the file, click load to import the data into the Power BI, where you can create visuals and reports. Okay, the next thing is, what is the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI service? This is also a very common question for 2 years or 4 years, experience. So, that you can say, okay, one is the software and one is the web, you can give those answers, but try to give more precise and definitions, which they will like. Don't go very general, okay, sometimes. So you can start with Power BI Desktop is a Windows application used to create and design reports and dashboard locally on a computer, right? It provides advanced data transformation, modeling, and visualization capabilities. So it means it has a more capabilities. You can drag, drop things, you can play with the things, but it's not much user friendly in this web, service side. So Power BI Services basically, on the other hand, is a cloud-based platform where these reports and dashboards are published, shared, and accessed by users. It allows collaboration, data refresh scheduling, and sharing insight across organizations, enabling seamless data-driven decisions. So you can say, suppose I have to share a report with my another team member, then I have to use Power BI Workspace. And Workspace we can create in using service, not using the desktop, right? So in desktop, we publish a report to a workspace. So you see the difference. In one platform, you are working seamlessly, and when you want these things on the web, you use Power BI service so that all your team members can put their report, and the customer also can view the report from the Power BI web URL, right? So now you see the difference, right? I hope you got it. Okay, so next question is, have you used Power BI embedded? If yes, describe your experience and its benefits. So what they wanted to ask you is, have you designed a report which is integrated into a web or somewhere, maybe in mobile or any application, right? So how do you maintain those, and how do you have experience around that? Okay. So your question should be, yes, Power BI Embedded is a platform as a service offering from Microsoft that allows developers to integrate Power BI reports and dashboards directly into their own application. Right? It enables organizations to deliver rich data visualizations and analytics capabilities to their end users without requiring them to have a separate Power BI license and account. You see the importance? So embedded analytics, customization and branding, scaling and performance, API integration, much more. You can have a much more benefit from Power BI. It's how rich it is. Okay, so I hope you like these kind of videos, and stay tuned. If you like it, please like the videos and subscribe if you like it. Thank you for watching.